One thing that happens to me that I'm sure happens to many of you is that daily you run across great things that you want to use for your classes. Sometimes um, it's just hard to organize all that information that's coming your way as you browse the web, or a lot of times stuff comes up in my Edmodo feed through my communities, like the math community. Um, the cool thing is that Edmodo has a way for you to keep all that information together in one place so that you can use it not only for the classes that you're teaching currently, but also for future classes. Um, and it's called the library. And it's just a place where you can keep links, you can keep PDFs, you can keep Word documents, movies. There might be a file limit somewhere, but I've never hit it, and I've saved a lot of stuff there. Um, and the cool thing about this is you can organize your different resources in terms of your classes and in terms of subjects. Um, and you can even make those folders public to your classes. So, for example, week 2 equations and inequalities is a folder that I had made public for one of my online math classes. So this library ends up being a really great way to kind of amalgamate all the great stuff that you've either used in your class, or potential stuff that you've run across on the web. Anybody that posts anything in my in Edmodo that you want to save, you can just hit a little library button next to a post. I'll take you to that on the main screen. So these are my posts, but like, let's say this person right here posted, it looks like a link to the math community. I can add that to my library. If I can preview it and then add it to my library if I like it. Also, if you're crawling the web at large and you see a great presentation, Edmodo makes a little bookmark for most of the major browsers, and you just click this bookmark and it automatically puts it in your library, and so you can use it for all your classes.